Basia. Let's start from a simple question today. What would you do today more often if you had 10% salary increase? Whatever it is, I want you to do a simple math together. Let's imagine that you make today $100,000 a year with a simple standard 3% inflation rate. Now, if you asked every year for a 10% salary increase, that will compound to $450,000 in savings over 10 years. That's a lot of money. And that's the type of money that you leave on the table just by simply not asking for it. Now, you may think, yeah, that's insane. No one will ever give me this type of money. Well, deep down inside, you may know that you are underpaid and you deserve for more. I want you to invite you to my webinar where you will learn how to negotiate the salary that you deserve. During this webinar, you will learn the 2 most common mistakes during the negotiations and how simply to avoid them. The 3 ways to communicate more effectively and with confidence. And also, during our roleplay exercise, you will learn what to say, how to say it, and why we use certain words. I'm really honored and humbled to share my experience with you, and see you soon. Thank you.